Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be unboxing my Cruelty-Free kitty box. Got it early this month, so excited. Alright, so first we have the Fleur and Bee Eyes Baby. Like eyes baby, come on. Anti-aging eye cream, anti-aging and firming, nourishing 18 actives. Alright, pretty packaging, like a rose gold glass, like an amber glass. Okay, we're not doing that. Oh my god, what is going on today? Alright. Ooh, she's thick. I can't like think of what it smells like. Almost like an argan oil, but like a little spicy. I don't know what is going on with me. So that's really cute. And then we have same brand, Fleur and Bee, Prince Charcoal Detox Clay Mask, purifying and nourishing. It has 32 nourishing actives, cruelty-free, vegan, obviously, 1% to charity, Pasadena, California. This looks cool. Cute. And then another one from Fleur and Bee. This is the Nectar of the Sea Vitamin C Serum, brightening and 10% vitamin C, 11 nourishing actives. Cute again. I like that. So far, this is I think the 4th cruelty-free beauty box. Everything is cruelty-free. Cruelty-Free Kitty is a influencer on Instagram. She also has her own blog. So everything is cruelty-free, vegan, and clean beauty. And she tries to be as sustainable as possible. I'm excited to try a new sunscreen. I was just about to get sunscreen because it was summer. And I wear facial sunscreen every single day. But this is exciting because I don't need to get one. Now, if this sucks, maybe I do. So anyway, this is by Juice Beauty, which is owned by Gwyneth Paltrow. The Organic Solution. Sport 30, SPF 30 Sport Sunscreen. Is this just for your face or your body? Water resistant, it's zinc, oxide 20%. It's organic, I told you guys it's all clean. Let's see, this has a white cast. I love the packaging. Cute, especially for summer. Alright, it is sealed. Signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours. Ooh. Oh, it smells like, you know what? I've had something from Juice Beauty before. I can't like explain it. So a little bit of my hand. Alright, so it's not like alright, so it looks whiter. Yeah, I guess it's a white. It's like a cream though. Like I can't explain it. So that's a little oily, so let's see if it has a white cast. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of a white cast. Yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of white cast. But it is moisturizing, so that's good. It's not drying. Which is good for me, because I have dry skin. Okay, so it goes in. Woo! So it melts in. So the box total, I believe it said on the card $105. The box itself is $39.99, and then if you get it, just like other subscription boxes, if you decide to pay for it all at once for the year, it is $34.99. But I think this is a good box. Obviously skincare, but that's fine. So I'm also gonna be doing BoxyCharm unboxings. Coming back, BoxyCharm. It's been a few years, but let's see if you worth it. I'm gonna get the BoxyCharm Premium, and then I do my Petite Four. We're gonna be doing 3 subscription unboxings over here. Let me know what you guys wanna see. Check out my makeup shorts that I do on the daily. And I'll see you in my next one. Do all the YouTube things. Like, subscribe, and comment what you wanna see. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.